Hello guys, we're having breakfast guys. I cooked let me show you. Bihon guys. This is the bihon. So this would be our breakfast for today. For today's video. Okay. It's already good, so we are going to eat now. So you just have to place this here. So this is just a normal ba? Ato lang. So karon wala lang good. So kadagman-dagman ata. Actually, mother has this. This is inununan guys. So I don't know what's that in English, but we call that inununan. So come on, that's it. It's it. It's hot here. It's so hot today. So, it's so hot today to this video. Anak na good siya guys. So, and then, diba? Look at that. Bihon. We call this bihon. I don't know in English. Huh? Ay. And then, simple life living guys. Wait. Anak ko. How? Lagi. Simple life living guys. Fish na yun. Magkinam mo ito lang. Hot mo dyan. Come on. Very hot. You know guys, not sometimes, most of the Filipinos love to eat with their hands. Yeah. It is because it's very appetizing. And let's eat using our hands. So, if you're from the Western country or from Europe or wherever, let me know in the comment if you also eat like this. Pero sa mga Filipinos, this is the best way of eating. Diba? Ang sarap. And by the way, I don't know what's English of English of bihon guys. I don't know. But this is vermicelli. I don't know, but yeah, this is bihon. This is bihon with corned beef. So I cooked it. Bye for now. I just share you my delicious breakfast for today. So corned beef and the bihon and the inununan fish or paksiw in Tagalog. But yeah, thanks a lot. Bye.